Hey there, welcome to the Jasper community, and today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous home here by Capstone Homes. Now, this model is 3,760 square feet. It is one of the larger models here in Jasper and the largest in this particular builder community. Now, this one has room for lots of folks, and it has an attached casita, something that's really unique, something that's really cool. And also the kitchen is to die for. Come on inside, let's take a look. Welcome to today's home tour. We are at Capstone Homes and we are getting ready to tour this gorgeous model. It is 3,760 square feet, 5 bedrooms with a study, 4.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. So if you have lots of family and you like a great open concept floor plan, this is one you definitely want to check out. And something unique about this home, it has an attached casita, because in this community, you cannot have detached casitas. So they remedied that and gave you one that's accessible from the outside or from right within the home. So we're gonna go check out that space second, but first, let's check out the living area. So walking in, the first thing I notice is how big this kitchen is and how open it is. There is a great amount of space around this kitchen so that it just becomes part of the living space. There's an 8-burner Wolf range with a double oven. Lots of gorgeous drawers here. Of course, as you would expect, all soft close. Really big kitchen island with a waterfall edge. And then off to the side here, we have a big walk-in pantry, a server area with your microwave, and your side-by-side Sub-Zero refrigerator. And look at all that storage up top. There is so much space. So since I already talked about the pantry, let's go check it out. So the pantry is bigger than you think. It wraps all the way back along the edge of the kitchen. So tons of storage for you. So your guest bedrooms are all on the right side of the home there, kind of behind where you see the fireplace. And the primary suite is on the left side. So you have a true split bedroom floor plan. Now, there's also an area there where you could put a little bar. Nice double doors that go out to the backyard. And let's go check out the owner's suite. Stunning high ceilings. I love the shape of these windows. It's a little different. They're a little more square, but I really like it. It really frames the view nicely. And in the owner's suite here, you have an oversized sliding glass door that leads out to your covered patio. And then when we walk into the bathroom, this bathroom has a different configuration than any of the others I've seen. I don't know, I think it might be the only one I've seen like this. You have a vanity here, a freestanding tub. Behind it is your walk-in shower. You have your toilet here. And of course, a linen closet. And here is the really cool part. You have a separate vanity here, and this is its own nook. So you have the sink, you have a sitting area, and all this lighting and counter space. And that vanity is completely separate from the other vanity that you have over there. The tub kind of sits in the middle. The shower frames the space. Gorgeous. You also have 2 separate closet spaces. You have this one off to the right, which is nice and large. You have some windows so you can get a little bit of daylight in here, but they're not going to get direct sun because they're pretty small. I'm going to guess they don't get direct sun. You could always put blinds on them. And then you have a second area here. And this section of the closet leads through to the laundry room. So I did say it was a split bedroom floor plan. So how do you get to the laundry room if there's no other bedroom on this side? Well, surprise, it actually goes right out to the garage, and then the kitchen. So you actually have, from the garage coming in, you have a drop zone. And then behind that is a laundry room. You have the sink, washer, dryer, and you have space both on next to the washer dryer as well as the space. So lots of room for folding laundry. And again, one closet space here, another one there, separate vanities here and there. So really great use of space to create separation without weird hallways or things like that. So going back, so if you remember, the whole pantry was behind the kitchen, and that's the garage door, and the laundry room is over there. So looking at the rest of the house, the attached guest casita is by the front door on this side, but first we are going to go down this way and look at the guest bedrooms. So we have 3 guest bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another bathroom on the side of the house. So here is guest bedroom number 1. We already saw the walk-in closet. And then you go through the Jack and Jill bathroom with separate shower and tub. So for a Jack and Jill, this is a really big bathroom. It's nice that the tub and shower are separate and that there are 2 vanities. This is the 3rd bedroom. It's your closet. Coming back out to the hallway. Just for reference, that was the way we went into the 1st bedroom there. Now we are going to go into the 3rd bedroom. This bedroom has windows that go right out to the patio, as well as out to the backyard. And this one is a little bit bigger in that it has its own private full bathroom. And as with many of the other bedrooms, it also has a walk-in closet. So we had one bedroom that had a standard closet and then the walk-in closet in the other 2. So this second bedroom was one with the standard closet. So where, you may ask, is the casita? All right, well, it's attached, but it's in a separate area of the house. So this is the front door where we came in. And when you came in from the front door, if you remember, we walked into the living space. But over here on the right, you have kind of 2 zones. First, you have your powder room, as well as a really nice office. By the way, look at the ceiling. I love the treatment they did on the ceiling in this home. But here, you see these double doors? So this is to give you that attached casita feel. So when you walk into this room, it's almost like its own separate apartment. It doesn't have a kitchen, but you can do what you want afterwards. But you have a bedroom, good size, with a walk-in closet, and of course, an ensuite bathroom. Plenty of room there if you did want to put a tub instead, but it's a nice size shower. And then coming out of the bedroom, this could be your outdoor entrance. When we walked in the courtyard with those double door or the double columns, you would come in this way. And then this would be your separate living room. So you don't have the kitchen, but you do have a place to sit, to watch TV, or to entertain. You do have a private bedroom, bathroom, etc. And it can all be closed off from the rest of the house. Not very smooth there. There we go. So that room can be closed off, and that would be where your casita is. And here's the entrance. That's kind of cool. All right. Let's go next and check out the backyard, and then I will give you some more information about the pricing and this particular builder, some things about the solar, the insulation, and find out what the wow factor was. Let's see. Outside, this patio is enclosed on 3 sides, which is going to give you a little bit of shelter from wind, rain, sun, whatever it is in the weather that you don't want. But if you want to be out in the weather, you just step right out a few feet, and here we are. Again, the lots in the subdivision are typically about a 1/3 acre. This one's a little bit bigger, and it's kind of in the elbow of the street, so the backyard is wider, narrower and wider. An outdoor living room here, the gas fireplace, TV, a nice outdoor grilling space with your Blackstone, seating, your own putting green. And then on the other side of the patio, or the other side of the property, look at that patio. So cool. On this model, these views are really nice. And I don't know, like, I'm looking at where those roof lines are. I do see somebody riding their bike. So you are going to lose some of the view when there's builds on the other side of that particular fence. But this is open space. Of course, it'll be greener come spring. But I mean, you're always going to have some form of view here. I feel like that's just a nice bonus. Here on the other side of the yard, got croquet set up. So I hope you enjoyed today's home tour. Let me tell you a little bit about this community. Jasper is a large master plan community here in Prescott Valley. And currently, I believe there's around 400 homes completed, but it's going to be 4 times that size. I think there's around 2,000 homes in the community for the total master plan. So it's going to get built up. And as you build up, you get more infrastructure, you get more neighbors, you get to see the community grow. And being one of the first in, you're typically also going to get some of the best prices. So let me tell you a little bit about this model in particular. So Capstone Homes is the high-end builder here in the Jasper community. And this model that we just toured is their largest in this community right now. It is 3,760 square feet, 5 bedrooms, plus a study, 4.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. Now, the starting price on this home with the traditional elevation is $1,185,900. So that again is the base price. You can add to that, and you should budget, depending on your taste in finishes, for about 10% of the price of the home for your upgrades. Now, they have the design center here right on site in the other model. So it's really nice. When you come in, you could pick out a few things and probably get an idea really fast. So that can range. 10% is the guideline. Some people may do 5, some people may do 15. It really just depends on what you want, which is the beauty of buying new construction, is that you get to pick your finishes. Now, this particular builder does have a couple spec homes available, and they have some great prices on that, because with all of the upgrades chosen, they're giving you a discount to move in to one that is ready to go right now. So if you have any questions about the Jasper community, about Casper Homes, or buying a new home here in Prescott Valley, please don't hesitate to reach out. It's ODESSA KEILMAN, and I am here touring new homes all the time. I want to get to know this inventory and be your go-to resource for buying or selling a home in the Prescott area. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so you'll see more videos when they come up, and give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. I will be seeing you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.